If you want to go ahead and feature out images or video in your page, then you can utilize the image and video block. So to do that, you can click on add new section and then go to image and video section right here. And here you can see the big media section right here, which you can go ahead and click. And basically it's a placeholder, a large placeholder, so that you can go ahead and showcase your video or image. You can go ahead and add, let's say for example, many different sections. So under image and video, you can see that you got a large section for the image or video as you want. You can add in image or video as you want right here. So let me just go ahead and click, and you can see that these are the different blocks that you have right here. So with the image, you can go ahead and edit it, and then you can go ahead and add in a link as you want as well. Or you can go ahead onto video right here and add in the video link right here as you want, and that video will be loaded up right here just like this. And it basically is large areas with photos and videos right here. And of course, as with any other layouts, you can work around with the background color of it and change around the layout as you want as well, just like this, to go ahead and change it out to whatever you want. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the image and video block inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.